Hi, my name is Paul and I'm going to show you how to identify the most recent versions of master units in Resourcebank. To access Resourcebank, go to the Jump To menu on Connect and select Resourcebank. If you are asked to log in, use your staff network username and password. From the Resourcebank homepage, click on Search in the menu on the left-hand side. This search tool will make it easier to find Master Product than the Quick Search field in the middle of your homepage. If you click on the drop-down box below the search field, you will see there are several collections to which you can limit your search. When searching for Master Product, you can select either Master Product Collection or the Master Product Advanced Search, which allows you to narrow your results further. Today I will select Master Product Collection. If you have a specific unit you are looking for, you should type the unit code into the search field, or if you need to find all masters for a qualification, type in the qualification code. As you are typing, you may be presented with some suggestions. If you see exactly what you want in the suggestions list, you can select it, or just search the code to see all of the search results. I can see that there are multiple results which are sorted with the most relevant master product at the top of the list. These results all have a qualification code attached, so these particular units have been contextualised to those qualifications. I want the Health Services Assistance contextualisation. Looking at the record, I can definitely see that this resource is the Master Product Collection by the breadcrumbs at the top. The qualifications section of the record will list all of the qualifications that this unit of competency relates to. Master Product goes through regular continuous improvement updates. When the continuous improvement updates take place, the Master Product is repackaged and re-uploaded to Resourcebank as a new version, available for viewing. It is important to ensure that you are looking at the most current version of a resource. To do so, there are a few details to check. The Details panel on the right-hand side shows that the current version number and that the status of this version is live, which means that this version is the most current and is in use. Notice that the last number in the URL for this record matches the version number. Links to the resource can become out of date as new versions are created, so if you're going to copy the URL to send to someone or save for later reference, change that last number in the URL to a 0. This ensures that the link always redirects to the most up-to-date version of the resource. If the master product has been completely archived and the unit of competency is no longer current, the URL will still allow you to view the resource. However, the status will be set as archived. Archived resources will not appear in search results. The date created will show the date that the version was created. In the version notes section, the contributor should have included the date updated, a TAP request number if there was a continuous improvement request, and a brief description of what has changed since the previous version. However, this field is a recent addition, so many resources may still have this information in the description area instead. Any assessment of other documentation files will also have a version number at the end of the file name, which will be updated every time that particular file goes through continuous improvement. That's the end of our tutorial for today. Thanks for watching.